Yeah, that was really fun, but it's starting to rain, guys. We should get inside.
Elmo totally beat you, Teddy.
First of all, that laugh was weird, and second of all, you did not beat me. I won. Quit your blabbering. Now let's just get inside it. Guys, I think I might have left the door locked.
Uh-oh. Elmo wants to sit down, but all the seats are wet.
I guess I'll go check the front door. It couldn't hurt. Yeah, I'll go for it. Okay. He is so dead.
Yeah. Wait, but how could he get hurt?
He gets struck by lightning, the rain gets too bad. He doesn't like getting wet.
Okay.
Just gotta go for it. Ah! Oh, the rain's slowing down. I can't get my hair wet. I gotta go super fast. And if it gets wet, I'll just dry off because I'm running. I can see the front door. Oh, why am I so tired? Man, I'm out of shape. I made it. Oh my gosh. That took a lot. Are you kidding me? The door is right here. It's even open. You can see the inside of the house. I didn't even know you could lock this. Oh great, now I have to run all the way back. Okay. Ah! Oh no, that was lightning. Oh, I gotta go. My hair is frizzy. Ah! This looks safe. I'll just stay under this tree until the rain stops. Yeah, I'll just sit right here, nice and comfy, until it stops. Yeah, we're not going out anytime soon. You know, it's been a couple minutes now. Do you think Teddy's okay?
Yeah, Elmo hasn't heard any lightning strikes, and Elmo only heard one a few minutes, like maybe only 1 minute ago, and Teddy has bound to be get to the door by now.
Yeah, and he should be unlocking the back door, right?
Yeah, Elmo hopes.
But it's still not open. He knows how to do that, I know it.
What if something happened to him?
Nah, maybe we should just give it a bit more.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Elmo's a little worried.
Nonsense, there's no need to be worried. But why would you be worried? Just asking.
Well, Elmo really hopes that he's okay.
Yeah, me too. I mean, I don't think there's anything I want to worry about.
Neither with Elmo. But Elmo's just worried because, I don't know, Elmo just is.
Well, there's nothing wrong with that, so you're allowed to feel that way, but he should be okay.
Yeah.
Hey, have we tried getting through the window yet?
No.
Come on, we're trying it.
Elmo doesn't fully approve of that idea.
Too bad, we're trying it anyway.
But we're gonna get soaked.
Who cares? We have towels. Come on, Elmo.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay, Elmo, this is simple. All we need to do is get up to that window.
Elmo's not Spider-Man. man, so he's not sure if he can get up there.
Okay, fair point. Surrounding check. Elmo, do you think you could get that boogie board?
Elmo can try. Elmo got it.
Alright, good, Elmo. Now let's set it up. Okay, but how should we set this up?
Elmo doesn't know. It's really good.
True point. Is it secure enough, Elmo?
Yeah, Elmo thinks it is.
Okay. What do you think?
Elmo's under it. He can't see it.
Well, we can walk up and get up here and hopefully find a way to get up to that window.
Elmo's confused. Hold on. Look. Whoa. If Elmo tries to go up, he'll slide down.
I'm glad you mentioned that.
You are?
Ow. Yes, I am. Because you can simply use the rope that is on the boogie board to bring yourself up.
What happens when you get to the top?
You go up here. Okay, I got up.
Elmo's turn. Whoa, who are you?
I'm Apollo.
Oh, are you, locked out of your house
locked
too?
out of my house. Are you too?
Yeah, do you need any towels?
So what are you doing?
We're trying to get into our house. You need any towels or anything? Because you can just come in ours.
If this works.
Use the rope to climb up.
Elmo got up. We're trying to get in through the window.
Yeah, I'm trying that. Hopefully it'll work. Okay, the rain has slowed down a little bit, so I can finally make my way out. Yep. It's still raining a little bit, so I just gotta be careful. And I think I have a hair clip in my pocket. Oh, wait, I found the key. Huh, I can just unlock the door now. Yeah. Then I'll let the others in. Success. Okay, now what was I supposed to do? Doesn't really matter right now. Let's go whip up a snack.
Ooh, Elmo has a question.
Yeah, Elmo?
How is Elmo gonna get up into the window?
Well, thanks for the obvious question, Captain Obvious, bro. Anyway, it also is a pretty good question, so yeah.
Whoa.
Does he live with you, Apollo?
Yeah.
So basically, we're trying to get into our house right now.
It's basically bedtime right now for Squacky. Not for me.
Oh, it's way over past Elmo's bedtime. He goes to bed at 2.
Because I stay up at 12.
Elmo stays up till 1.
Nuh-uh, that's not true.
Stop the bragging.
What do you stay up doing?
Elmo watches anime.
Nope, I put a security camera in your room.
Then you saw Elmo watching it.
No, you be watching Cocomelon, bro.
I don't even watch that, and I'm like 2.
Not the point. Now, how are we gonna get through the window?
Sheesh, man. Okay, I was thinking we bring this thing up, so...
That's dangerous.
Be quiet. All right.
Now what are you gonna do?
Shoot, that ain't gonna work.
Okay, so now what do we do?
Okay, why don't you think of an idea right now, Elmo?
Rage quitter.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Elmo can't think of an idea. He's too... Whoa!
Yeah. Elmo, you absolute genius. Now open the window.
You haven't been so mad since you've seen Rocco.
Don't ever bring up Rocco again.
I know, Rocco's Rocco.
Yes. Teddy, what are you doing?
Oh, Hey guys. Oh, so that's what I was supposed to do.
How long were you in there?
I don't know, 20 minutes.
And what were you doing that was so important instead of saving your friends?
I was making a snack.
Yeah! Okay. Now we just need to get inside.
All right, here we go. You guys can go first.
Okay, I guess I do it.
Now my turn.